Alright, we are here at Boscov's at the Exton Square Mall in Exton, Pennsylvania. And here we have a Schindler elevator. This is a Schindler 321A. So the two. Does have a nice motor. Got some toys out there. Take it back down to one, we'll get a cab view. Watch the number change first. Pretty nice elevator for a Boscov store. I do like the flooring in this thing. Here's your floor indicator. Capacity is 2,100 pounds. There's your Schindler logo. Certificate there. Elevator was installed back in 1999. And these are your HT buttons. There you go. Yeah. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome. Let these people go. Listen to the motor from out here. It does have a good motor, but it doesn't sound too great. But anyways, before we end the video, I want to tell you something about this elevator. This particular one right here was one of the elevators I rode a lot back when I was a child, when I came to Exton Mall with my mom. Well, anyways, there goes the elevator, and that will be it